What's up, guys? This is Key. Today we'll be shooting that KWA MP7. Y'all know the saying, the weather is kind of frightful. This KWA MP7, well, it's delightful. Here we are again, my same beautiful targets, nothing fancy, nothing formal. I'm going to cycle that machine pistol on semi and full, with and without the suppressor. Come on, let's get started. What we have here is the KWA gas blowback machine pistol 7, or MP7, with the Angry Guns power-up suppressor. Let's pop off a few rounds.
Listen at the smooth sound of that MP7. Have you ever heard anything that crisp? This bad boy has two select fire, semi and full auto. Let's cycle this weapon at full auto. Well, alright. Now we'll add that Angry Gun power-up suppressor. I'll start with semi. Hold up, let me get in my tactical stance. As you can hear, there is no audible performance difference with the suppressor on. FPS is considerably higher, and it does look cool. Flipping that switch to full auto. Ooh, I love that sound. Let the bottles hit the floor. Some of y'all might get that. Let's do a little shooting from behind the barrier. See how we can do. The performance on this MP7 is beyond words. Built sturdy, trigger pull nice and even, 6 pounds in weight, great for CQB, turning them corners. What more can you ask for?
The KWA MP7, in my opinion, is an elegant weapon. Small and compact with a sweet rate of fire, about 15 to 16 rounds per second. The FPS out of the box is about 400. Well, since mine's HPA, mine's about 375 without a suppressor. And with the suppressor, bumps it up to about 425. Being that it's HPA, I can adjust the FPS to what I want. And sometimes what I want isn't always good. Alright, the foregrip is adjustable. The charging handle, you pull it back, pulling the bolt back so you can chamber around. And once the magazine is empty, the bolt locks back to the rear. That's the beauty of a gas blowback weapon. I added a Angry Gun suppressor and a UTG 3.9 red and green CQB dot sight. Now if you don't have one of these, I highly suggest you go out and find one. This is an awesome piece of machinery right here. Alright, with that folks, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.